Hello guys, welcome back to the Voltman channel. Everyone was asking me why I went with this Supernova Copper color because they were complaining that it's very hard for maintain and it fades a lot. In this video, I'll be talking about all about the maintenance, how you can maintain this flawless color, beautiful color, and what are the products I use to make it always look like brand new. So as you can see, my car has driven on a very muddy rain, and the all the wheels and everything is full of mud. So I will be washing the car, applying the wax. Without wasting any time, let's drive the car to the washing bay. Came to the washing area of the car, and things I'll be using initially is 3M car shampoo and a cleaning gloves. So this is a very good microfiber gloves. So I'll put a link in the description if you need those products. First, I'll be spraying water across all the car, and I'll remove the loose dirt which is available. And then I forgot to bring the bucket, so what I'll do is I'll just put the shampoo over this and try to scrape the other dust off. So let's start the process. Have you noticed a difference? Look at this. I have a piano black mirror and a piano black A pillar in Smart Plus variant, and also a piano black sun roof rails. I'll put a video on that as well if you are interested in how I did that. Make sure you also clean your headlights, guys, because as this has a reflector base headlights, if you have dirt in it, the performance of the light won't be good. So make sure you also clean that time to time.
This part tends to get dirty a lot, guys. The back part. This is how it's been designed. The car, all the air goes in this area and sticks it. So I have a solution for that. I have a few wax or seal and shine that prevents it to stick here. Okay, how about the top part? Windshield, do the windshield. From here. Sharp Fernando. I want it to sharp. I'm not that sharp. See? Okay. So this has been shampooed pretty well. Now, let's go to the wheel cap and trims.
I live in a place where water is hard, guys. I also have that same hard water problem, and after I wash it, I immediately need to wipe this to prevent hard water stain. I have already applied few coatings of seal and shine, so that has little bit of hydrophobic effect. As you can see, the water, when I spray the water, it's just going down beautifully. That's the effect of the hydrophobic effect from the seal and shine from turtle wax. It's been washed. Now immediately after washing, take it to somewhere shade and start cleaning this, like start wiping this immediately, or else you will have watermark. As you can see, there is no water beading on this part, so the wax is almost gone, so the water is not having any hydrophobic effect. And even here, even in the back, so the hydrophobic properties has all went in just one wash. So we'll reapply the wax and maintain this. So I'll be taking a soft microfiber cloth and I'll be wiping the watermarks. So take a good observing cloth and start wiping the leftover waters, so or else once it's dry out, it's gonna stick in your car. Make sure you don't do that.
Close the doors.
If you notice, I'm not doing any circular motion because that creates swirl marks. Circle swirl marks, you know, have you seen the spider web type marks when you hit light? So I'm just going it vertically or horizontally, so that prevents your car from swells, and in long term it will look fresh. After cleaning the shiny part, now I'll clean the trims. Grey trims is a beautiful color instead of having matte black. And wheels. Your variant might have alloys. Mine is Smart Plus, so I have wheel caps and it does the job for me. Car is super clean without any dirt now. I'll just hydrate myself. And this is the bottle I use. It's a glass, so due to heat the plastic, you know, tends to share microplastics into water. And as this is a glass and also have a socks, so it does not rattle on your door. I bought it in D-Mart for 99 rupees. Check them out if you have a D-Mart store in your area. Using Meguiar's mirror glaze yellow wax, high-tech yellow wax, and wax applicator, a foam applicator. And based on, I have tried many wax. I have tried 3M, I have tried F1. Out of this was the best performance overall. So I'll be using this and apply all over the car for protection against UV, bird drop, and water marks. So let's protect this. The application is really simple, guys. Oops, what is this? Let me shake this. Now it's correct. It was been sitting there for a very long time and I forgot to shake. Okay, uh, all you need to do is just apply the wax. What I do is I apply it on the foam applicator first and make it absorb, and then I start, you know, waxing this like it. You will see a haze, and once it dries out you will able to see how it looks. Make sure you apply it on shade, don't apply it on direct sunlight, so because the performance won't be good on it, won't bond with your paint if you directly apply it on sunlights. Applying in a circular motion, make sure you don't lose any part while applying. I already have few water marks because I haven't protected the paint from these marks by applying any coating. So water has already came here, so we can protect it before we do any car care by using a machine and buffing out few water stains with some good polishing in the market. But yeah, this is just a DIY process, so you can do it on yourself and protect your car. Whole car has been waxed. I'm not sure if you can see the hazy effect, and look at that. So entire car has been properly waxed and it's ready to buff. Next step is buffing, guys. So you need a new clean microfiber cloth and you need to start buffing the wax. So once this is haze, if you touch your finger it should do something like this, and if it's there then we need to buff it out. Start the buffing from where we exactly started applying the wax. So this part, so we can just start, you know, doing in a circular motion. You can do this in a circular motion because that's how you buff it out, and it also gives you shine. So when you buff, you will notice that your paint layer surface will be a lot smoother, and your microfiber cloth is just gliding over it like it's a butter. So once I buff everything out, I'll show you the results. For the A pillars, I have used a piano black wrap. So last night I applied a piano black wrap to the A pillars, so it looks glossy, so it blends with the car, glossy. And I also changed this part from matte black to glossy black. This just costed me around 250 rupees for each side, and you can look at the look that I get, like the gloss piano black effect. And from the front you cannot judge whether this is a base model or a top model car, because I have completely changed these two, and with very low cost. And many people were asking me, have you changed your mirror with auto adjusting mirror? No, I just changed the cap so it looks a little aesthetic, that's it. So the entire car has now been properly buffed out, and that is the look I am getting, gloss like mirror like look.
So as you can see, literally see the sky, and it's looking beautiful. And the wheel caps is also shiny, and that is how it looks. So that's how you can maintain your car, guys. This is a really beautiful color. If you maintain it well, it's so beautiful to see compared to other colors. Again, colors is subjective. I personally like dark colors, that's why I went with this variant and this color. And as I said, I did a piano black on here and a piano black cap, so it looks more aesthetically pleasing. So the wheel caps is piano black, the mirror cap is piano black, this is black, and the roof rails is also black. So overall this gives a very good uh, results. So that's it on this video, guys. I hope you liked it, and you can also maintain your car by yourself. It's a very good exercise if you do it a weekly once. And that's it. Keeping your car clean makes you feel happy, and overall it's a very good feeling. Okay, see you on the next one, guys. I hope like this video, hit thumbs up, follow me for more updates, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.